Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to change your public nickname, also known as your username, on Telegram. This quick tutorial will help you update the handle that people use to find you in global search without having to share your phone number. At the end, you'll be able to present yourself just the way you want on Telegram, whether you're looking to freshen up your profile or just make yourself easier to find. Let's jump right in. First, grab your phone and open the Telegram app. If this is your first time changing your username, don't worry, Telegram makes the process pretty simple and I'll guide you through each step. Once you're in the app, look for the menu icon. Depending on whether you're using Android or iOS, it's usually the three little horizontal lines up in the corner. Tap that and you'll see a list slide out, things like contacts, calls, settings, and more. Now you'll want to head into Settings. Tap on that and it will bring up your profile information. This is your main hub for customizing how you appear on Telegram, so it's always good to know where to find these controls. Scroll through the settings until you spot a section called either Info or Account. It can vary a bit depending on your device or Telegram updates. In this section, find Username. You'll see your current username with the little @ symbol, or it might say None if you haven't set one yet. This is the public nickname that people can use to search for you globally on Telegram, so think of it almost like your unique address in the Telegram world. Go ahead and tap on Username. Now comes the creative part. You can type in your new desired username. Maybe you want something catchy, professional, or just an easy-to-remember handle for friends and colleagues. As you type, Telegram will automatically let you know if the username is available. So don't stress if your first choice is already taken, it happens. Just try another variation, maybe add a number or a period, until you land on one that's free and feels right. Remember, your username is how people find you, so you might want to choose something memorable but still secure. Once you've chosen your new username, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a checkmark or a Done button. Tap that and Telegram will save your new username instantly. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back and update it again. Your new public nickname will now show up when people search for you, and you won't need to share your phone number for them to connect. And that's all there is to it. See, super simple but so useful, especially if you're updating your professional presence or just want to put a personal touch on your Telegram profile. If you hit any hiccups, like not seeing the checkmark or username not updating right away, sometimes all it takes is a quick app refresh or checking your internet connection. Don't worry if you need to tweak it a few times. You're definitely not alone. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions, run into an issue, or just want to share your new username, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And if you want more easy tech tutorials, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.